Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you all? All are fine? Very good. Children, in that previous class, we discussed about plants and animals. Do you remember? Yes, very good. We are discussing about plants and animals. We learn many things in this topic. Is it? Yes. Plants and animals and types of the animals, group of the animals, we can find it and we can learn it. And one more thing children, we are discussing in the similarities. We know that in between plants and animals, we can find some similarities. What are the similarities we can find in between the plants and animals? Already we learned that. Yes. First one is plants and animals. We have discussed about similarities. Similarities. What are the similarities we can find in the plants and animals? First one is food. Second one is growth. Two are already done. Is it children? Yes. How they are preparing their food. How does plant prepare their food? How does animal prepare their food? Then we can learn that. And second one is growth. You know that all living things can grow. Animals also can grow, plants also can grow, but depending on their lifespan. You know what is the lifespan? Learn that. What is the lifespan, children? Lifespan means the time period of which living things are called lifespan. The time period for which living things are called lifespan. Is it? Yes. Then can find similarities in between the plants and animals. Third one is movement. You know that, children, all living things can move. All living things can grow. Is it? Yes. Animals can move and plants also can move. Is it, children? Plants can move from place to place? No. But animals can move from place to place. Why animals move from place to place? Why cannot stay in one place? Because searching their food. They need food now. Animals need food. They searching their food, so move from place to place. And shelter. And protect from other animals. Protect from other animals. You know that some animals are big, some animals are small. Some small animals can protect themselves from other animals. So it can move from place to place for their food and shelter. Is it? See, animals, different animals have different body parts. Different animals have different body parts to it help to their movement. It help to their movement. For example, children, for example, birds. How many legs does a bird? How many legs? Two legs. Is it? Two or four? Two legs. Birds have two legs. How many wings? Two wings. Birds have two legs and two wings. Why they need legs, children? To run, to walk, and wings to fly. So, birds have two legs to walk and two wings for fly. Is it, children? Different animals have different body parts. It helps them to move. It helps them to move from place to place. Have you seen kangaroo, children? How it looks like? How many legs does have kangaroo? Kangaroo has four legs. Is it? Kangaroo has four legs. Kangaroo has four legs. Is it, children? Yes or no? Kangaroo has four legs. It has it has it has short front legs and long hind legs. Long hind legs. It has short front legs and long hind legs to leap forward. To leap forward. Have you seen fish, children? Where does fish live? the water. See, fish is swimming, no? Is it, children? Fish is swimming in the water. Fish have fins for swimming. Fish have fins. Is it, children? Fish have fins. Fins for swimming. Swimming. See, birds have two legs and two wings. And kangaroos have two short legs, front short legs and in long legs. And fish have fins for swimming. So these body parts help them to move from place to place. Animals have different body parts. It helps them to move from place to place. Then plants. Plants can move from place to place, children. Did you observe that? No. Plants cannot move from place to place. Plants do not move from place to place. Stay in one place. Stay in one place. Is it? Yes. But parts of the plants can move. Parts of the plants can move. Is it? Yes. So you know that, children, plants can make their own food. You see, plants can prepare their own food. In this process, they using by water, minerals and sunlight. From where do we get water and minerals, children? It gets from the soil. It gets from the soil. Which part of the plant get the water and minerals from the soil? Yes, roots. Roots get water and minerals from the plant. How? The roots of plant grow downwards into the soil in searching the water. In search the water. The roots of plant grow. The roots of plant. Roots is the part of the plant. Is it? The plant do not move, but parts of the plant can move. Is it? Parts of the plant can move. Can you understand, children? How does plant move? Yes. Fourth one is response to stimuli. Response to stimuli. What is this? What is the response to stimuli? Do you know? A response is any action of a living thing to stimuli. A response. A response is any action. Any reaction. Sorry, any reaction a response is any reaction of a living things of a living things to stimuli. To is a reaction. Response to stimuli. A response is any reaction of a living thing to stimuli. All living organisms show response to stimuli which could be change internal and external environment. All living organisms show response to stimuli in internal and external environment such as temperature and light and sound. They can respond. Okay. In both we can see that. In both. In plants also, in animals also. I will give example, children. I will give some example. After you can understand easily. See, children. In the branch of the tree, some birds are sitting. In the branch of the tree, some birds are sitting. Suddenly, we have made some sound. Suddenly, we make some sound. How it responds? How they respond? Suddenly, it fly from that place. Suddenly, it fly from that place. Is it? Yes. And I will give one more example. Have you seen children? Touch me, not plant. It looks like, see, touch me or not. See, if you touch these leaves, if you touch these leaves, suddenly it folding or bend its leaves. Suddenly it folding or bend its leaves. That is the response. Okay. But different animals have different organisms. Different animals have sense organs which use them to feel the changes in their surrounding. Different animals have different sense organs which help them to feel the changes in their surrounding. For example, children, react, children? How do you react? If you touch hot, suddenly we remove our hand from that place. Is it? If you're hearing some noise, suddenly you get up from that place. Is it? Or else you will close your ears. Is it, children? You can respond. See, plants also respond to stimuli and animals also like that only. Okay. Now it's enough. Tomorrow I will continue this class, children.